Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on alien tape double-sided reviews. This video will help you know whether the product I'm talking about in this video, alien tape, is a legit one or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not? If you have experienced any fraud with this product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product. Friends, this is the picture of the product. This alien tape instantly locks anything into place without screws, anchors or adhesive. The best part about the product is that it comes with a triple offer in which you get 2 rolls of the tape absolutely free. Coming to the price of the product, it is available at only $19.99 with additional shipping charges. Also, you get 60% money back guarantee on the product. Friends, but the most important thing before buying the product is to look for the legitimacy checkpoints, the benefits and the disadvantages of the product, which I'm going to share in this video. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, here you can see the features of the product. It is an advanced nano grip technology, sticks to any surface without adhesives. It is a reusable product which you can remove, rinse and use it again. It securely holds up to 17.5 kilogram of weight. It is tough, waterproof design, works indoors and outdoors. It is great for hanging pictures and decorations, stopping furniture, carpet from sliding and securing your mobile phones while driving. This advanced nano grip technology, it instantly sticks and holds tight to any surface. Using alien tape is very easy. The process of the tape clearly states that you have to simply apply it, trim it to the according size and it will stick to any surface you want. It comes with a versatile, clever design which is perfect for all kind of pasting. You can stick it to glass, mount it on the tile, hanging on the stone. Installing a brick can also be possible with the help of this tape. It can be attached to the wood. You can use it to secure your furniture, prevent the rug slipping, holding your phones while driving and decorating for the holidays. Now, as already discussed, this product comes with a secret nano grip technology. It's like million of microscopic suctions cup that lock on the hole tight to any surface. Pull to release the suction and it comes right off. So the installation process along with the removing process of the product is very simple. You need not to use any nails or screws this time to hang pictures on the wall. You can easily remove, rinse and reuse the product as shown in the picture. Now talking about the legitimacy checkpoints, friends, we found a lot of customer reviews related to the product. Also, this product is available on reputed site Amazon.com where we received some customer reviews stating that the product is of good quality. The overall rating received by the product is 4.1. But friend, as every coin has two sides, we found some cons related to the product where customers have stated that the product is not of much use because once they reuse it, it does not show the similar quality it shows for the first time. Also, some of the customers have complained that the product is not much sticky and their furniture and carpet rugs keep on slipping once they have put this adhesive tape on it. But overall, friends, talking about the legitimacy of the product, this product is 100% legit and it can be purchased because it is better than screws, nails and the normal tape. Friends, I hope you have liked this video and found it informative. Now, if you are looking for the money back option, it's simple. All you have to do is view the link which we have provided in our description box. Make sure you view the link properly. Please share your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Like our video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.